Okay, like I said, thanks for hanging tough with me here. We're at 27467 North 75th Way in Scottsdale. We're at 1.72. This house, this is the second, I believe, possibly third part. I'm just trying to break it up from front yard, backyard, pool area, and so forth. Now we're just gonna do the bedrooms. So it's a 4-bedroom with a flex space plus a half bath. Powder room at 3516 on the square foot, built in 1994, renovated since then. The taxes are approximately $3,700 a year, and the HOA is only $650 annually. So please look in the description below for the features and so forth that they've updated. In the last part, I pretty much covered the kitchen and major areas of the house. So I just thought we'd hit the guest rooms and then the primary here right now. So here's the half bath, of course. This would be an office. It counts as a bedroom though, but it's really nice with the French doors. That goes into the living center here. I'm sorry, the dinette, dining room. They do have a dinette, it's in the kitchen though. I think those teardrop lights are cool. Here's the next guest bedroom. The main bathroom that's shared between the bedrooms, the 2 bedrooms. Beautiful shower. Look at that tile. Really cool color on that. It's like a sea green, forest green kind of mix. Really nice. Really nice finishes. It's kind of a brushed copper. It's not quite copper, but just about. And then this is one of the larger bedrooms. Then we'll get over to that flex space and then the primary suite, and we'll be done. So I want to thank you for watching as always, and the channel's growing, so I really appreciate that. Again, I am Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's in Scottsdale, Arizona, Old Town, Scottsdale. And this home is listed by Lisa Roberts, actually. She's an agent partner of mine at the same office in Scottsdale in Old Town with Sotheby's International Realty. Yay. So there's all the disclosures. Everybody knows who's who. Here is the laundry room. We just got to get a washer and dryer in here. Your choice, no problem. Here is the flex space. They have it as a workout room. Another thing that's coming on trend here in Scottsdale is Zen rooms or spa rooms, relaxation rooms, just a room dedicated simply for that. I think it's a great idea. Here, the garage, it's just 2 cars, so they're cleaning things out. So there's been some, it's not too bad, but there's some extra tile and everything else over here in the old washer and dryer that are going away. So, but it's a nice 2-car with a little extra foot, probably 3.5 feet or so of storage on the other side, maybe 4, but 3.5 for sure. All right, so let's get into the primary suite and we'll wrap it up. And here it is. So it has these beautiful windows and sliding patio door to look out and go out, hang out, put a little bistro table here or something if you want, have some morning coffee. Beautiful pool. As you've seen in the last video, in the Swarrows, there's natural preserve beyond the fence line. So yeah, it's natural desert and it's not to be disturbed. So they're respectful of the climate and respectful of the, well, not about the climate for sure, but they're respectful of the desert preservation, which I really think is great because it's disappearing little by little as the years have gone by. I remember 20 years ago when I came out here, there was a lot more cactus than there is now. Having said that, here is the wonderful primary suite. And really nice slate floor. Love it. Got a soaking tub here. Won't have to worry about any neighbors looking in. There aren't any. Although a deer or a bobcat or something might make a special guest appearance, but I don't think you'll have to worry as long as he's on the right side of the glass. And lastly, here, kind of a his-hers split, or whatever you want to call it, walk-in closet. This half and then this half. Lots of space. Gotta love it. Well, I hope that you have had a good time watching this. And if there's anything I can do to be of good service to you, you know that I will. And again, my name is Kurt Boyd. I'm with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby's, Old Town Scottsdale, Camelback Tower. My number direct is 480-203-3704. And my email is kurt@kurtmboyd.com. And you can reach out to me anytime. I usually answer the phone on the first ring if I can get to it. And it would be my honor to help you out in any way that I can. So keep that in mind. Again, this is Lisa Roberts' listing from Sotheby's International Realty, same as mine. And looking forward to helping you and yours soon. I hope you have a great start to your January. And go Pats tomorrow.